Today I'm going to show you a few different options on the ramps that you can get on these Wilson livestock trailers. So as you can see right here, we have the side ramp on the passenger side. This one has a black aluminum cover, and you can get these in black, gunmetal gray, stainless steel, or just regular mill finished. And this one is a flush mounted ramp. It does not have a door behind it. It has these nice little O-rings that you can just lift these up, put them to the side to get your little hooks out. And then the ramp is spring assisted. And then we upgraded this one with the black rubber matting on top of it. Now let me go show you another style here. So right here on this trailer, it's on the driver's side, and it's also 50-inch ramp, but it has the standard door right behind it. And then this ramp right here, it's kind of pushed out a little bit because it has that door behind it, and it's on these spring style pins. So we'll undo these. Spring assisted once again. And you can get these in 40-inch style, or you can get a clip-on ramp. But this is how the standard style is going to look right here with no matting on top of it. And that is everything for these kind of ramps. If you got any questions, want to soup up your trailer a little bit, give us a holler here at 419-394-4408. Thanks for watching.